pronounce this.
1999.
Jonathan?
1888.
Ryan?
11.
No. Gerald?
181.
Martin?
11.
Matthew?
1 to the power of 4.
All right, let's just move on. Hopefully your homework won't give me this much of a headache.
Homework?
Yes. Did any of you do your homework?
I did, sir.
You don't count, you suck up. Eric, did you do your homework?
I forgot.
Jonathan? I didn't know there was homework. Ryan?
My dog ate my homework, sir.
Matthew?
My dog forgot to do my homework.
Martin?
My cat ate my homework, and then my science project ate my cat.
Gregory?
I did it,
Oh, thank you.
but my brother put it on eBay, and I tried to get it back, but I wasn't the highest bidder.
I'm surrounded by idiots.